Shenzhen Tuofa Technology Company Limited specializes in manufacturing precision machine parts. Not only is the company equipped with numerous advanced machine equipment, including CNC machining center, high-speed drilling and milling machining center, CNC lathe and inspection equipment, including calipers, two-dimensional measuring instruments, height gauge, but also owns a team of professional and qualified mechanic talent. We have rich experience in machining stainless steel, titanium alloy, aluminum, brass parts, as well as providing many kinds of precision parts for lithium battery equipment, medical equipment, automobile assembly equipment, liquid crystal manufacturing equipment, optical communication equipment, optical lenses, and industry endoscope. Our machining scope is as follows: CNC turning parts machining, CNC milling parts machining, CNC turning and milling machining. Commonly used materials are as follows: aluminum, stainless steel, titanium alloy, brass, steel, plastic. For surface finishing, we can supply as follows: electrogalvanizing, electroplating chromium, electroplating nickel, titanium plating, sandblasting anodizing, QPQ, quench, polish, quench, polishing, and electrophoresis. We are experts in manufacturing precision machine parts. Also, we could provide customers with a small amount. We can make the drawing sheet and assemble parts as customers require. Our company has consistently adhered to the quality foremost and customer first business philosophy to provide customers with satisfactory products and services. You are warmly welcome to visit our company and provide instructions. We sincerely hope to provide the best service for you and expect to create glorious achievements together.
I'm Andy, the founder of Tuofa. We are majoring in machining and have rich experience in this field. Founded in 2006, the factory aims to make satisfactory products. To meet this goal, we work hard on communication. I believe you will benefit from Tuofa. Trust your instincts and Tuofa.